What's up, you guys? Hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day. In today's video, we will be unboxing the Samsung A50, a phone that not too many people know about, but may be worth your money. So let's just jump right into it. Alright, so we have a pretty nice box right here. It has A50 on the front, and the phone, there's a few scratches on it, but for the most part the box is pretty good. Alrighty, opening up the box. In the top here we have a Samsung looking box. I'm assuming this has our instructions in it. Yep, our instructions. We're not going to look at those right now. But right here we have some stickers and the phone itself. Looks pretty nice, but we're going to skip to the other stuff first. We have a cheap pair of earbuds. They're like the kind you get at the airport. Like, oh, they do have a button though. That's interesting. Some pretty cheap earbuds. You have your charging cable, which is USB-C. Good plus there. And then we have our charging input. Now this does not come with like your standard American charging input, but in the box I did get this adapter so I can just attach it like that. It's kind of long, so I'll probably end up using a different wall plug, but there's that as well. And then the last thing in the box, we have a SIM ejector tool. Alright, now we have to go back to the phone here. So around this phone they have a protective covering, little plastic covering. It's pretty nice feeling. You can rotate it around the screen, which is interesting. But the phone can just slide out of here, just like that. Looking pretty nice. We have a giant screen here. Just for comparison, here's my hand. And then we even have a few things of plastic around the sides. Yep, we just got that reflection there. It's kind of cool, little rainbowy color. We have our 3 cameras in the back. There's a wide camera and ultra wide camera, and then there's like a depth sensor, and we have our flash. So let's see. Let's power this baby on. This one does have dual SIM. We do have a headphone jack, and we have the speaker grill down here. And I think this is a OLED screen. I think it's a SAM OLED screen. Yep, so it's a 4G LTE octa-core processor. We have a 25 megapixel, a 5 megapixel, and an 8 megapixel triple rear camera. Then we have a 25 megapixel front camera with 128 gigabytes of memory. And it's a full HD plus SAM OLED screen. Just some first impressions here. This rounded screen here is kind of interesting. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's rounded. It's very rounded, like very, very rounded on the sides here. But like it goes with the full screen. Then there's just the little bump on the top here. Little notch. They have face recognition on here. Fingerprints, pattern, pin, and password. We can try face recognition. But I'll go more over this in our full review, which will hopefully out after I use this a little bit, I'll hopefully have released here on the channel. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, make sure to like and subscribe down below so you never miss any upcoming BDre videos. Thank you so much for watching and have an absolutely fantastic day.